Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Jesse McCone, my video bike check. So I have the 2009 Norco devaint frame. It's fairly light, got it for a cheap price, so it works. Welcome front to back. So I got the Eastern ultralight bars with some just green lizard skin grips they're cheap, want something to match my front tire. Fluorescent orange We the People plastic bar ends. This is the new Shadow Conspiracy Slim attack stem. For forks, I have the Eastern Hawkeye with a demolition front wheel here. Lime green pimp cassette, or Gazette pimp, whatever, in the front. Eastern headset. I got a Haro rail seat, the pinstripe design. Just a normal seat post clamp, or integrated seat post clamp, normal seat post. I got the Haro 25 tooth sprocket with a hollowed out KMC half link. Got the hollow pins and cuts in it. I tried to get to match my bike as much as possible, so it's low profile, you don't really notice it right away. In the back I got the Shadow Conspiracy hub, which I'll show you the sound in a bit. Laced to an Alex rim with some white spokes. And for the back I have a pink Gazette pimp tread. The rainbow thing was kinda not really on purpose. I didn't really know what I wanted for a color scheme. I started buying whatever was cheap and random colors I liked how it turned out, so I kept going from that. Here's my hub sound. Spins for quite a while. That's my video bike check.